Okay, how to fix your MacBook hinges if they're not closing all the way in 60 seconds. What you're going to want to do is you want to get yourself some Pro Shot one-step gun cleaner and lubricant, the one that has the needle attachment. You're going to go ahead and you're going to take your MacBook, you're going to put a little bit of the lubricant on the hinges, just a drop. You'll see a tiny little drop come out, just a drop. You don't need to go hog wild. You don't want a bunch of oil. In case you spill the oil, you can put some on a paper towel and wipe off the excess. So then we're going to open up the MacBook. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put a little bit more oil, just a drop, on the inside. Another drop on the inside. Give it a wipe, get the excess out. Then you want to go ahead and close your MacBook, open it, close it, open it, close it. Now if you had a problem like I had on where it's not closing all the way, you have a gap like this, that's the problem I had. And then I added the oil and now it shuts properly. It closes, it holds itself closed. That's how you fix your MacBook from not closing all the way. The Amazon link is on the bottom of the video.